Two-headed snake. Cat give to owner. Some days frogs, some days rats. Something catches their pet cat. Mr. K. Rogers joked. This is one of our cat's traits. Every day we'll bring a gift for the owner. Don't look at this. Like a dumb-faced snake came that day. He grabbed the snake from somewhere and entered the house through the door. Then he left the snake on the carpet. He started playing with it. We did not see it at first. Our daughter came running and said that the pet cat had two heads. What an adventure, loving cat, is not it? When Rigard's 30 years old daughter first came to him and told him about the two-faced snake, he did not believe it at first. In fact, most of the time we hear about snakes with two heads in the same body. How many more have I seen myself? Then Rogers was surprised to see that snake. The snake is small in size, so he carefully grabbed it and put it in a plastic container. He said his son and daughter were both thrilled to see such a snake. Even he and his wife saw such a snake for the first time in their lives. The Florida incident. However, in many parts of the world, such two-headed snake can be seen. Rare. However, there are innumerable snakes with one body and two heads in this world. Florida Fish and Wildlife. According to the conversation, the twin snakes could not be separate due to any complication at birth. As a result, their two heads are made in the same body. It has been reported that such a snake cannot survive in the forest for long because even though the body is one, their heads are two. The two heads work in two ways. As a result, when one head wants to go in search of food, the other stops. Maybe he wants to go ahead and see something interesting in the opposite direction. As a result, most of these snakes die due to lack of food. Embrace the Tree of the Tiger. Stunned picture. The work of capturing a rare animal on this planet is commendable. Sergei Gorshkov captured a Siberian tiger in the jungles of eastern Russia. This film has won the badge of the best. The award was co-hosted by a TV presenter at the Natural History Museum in London and the Royal Highness of the Duchess of Cambridge. As seen in the picture, a tiger is hugging a tree, rubbing his body on the tree. It is purely a sign of one's own presence. Leaving the smell of his body on the tree, he is saying to all the animals of this forest, but here I am. In a forest in eastern Russia, a Siberian tiger holds a Manchurian fire tree in her arms. It took 11 months to get this moment on the hidden camera. Really, it's unbelievable. In awarding the film, the judges said that the rare beauty of light, color and texture captured in Sergei's photo can only be found in any painting. The BBC has interpreted it differently. They say the tiger looks like a part of the forest. Its tail is carved in such a way that it is the root of the tree, as if two beings are one.